Uy, apoy. Pasugay.
So,
Lang, galing.
so pag, we have Batman to the Dark Crusader or Batman po.
Mm.
So, we have the action suit po ni Batman ni Ben Affleck po.
Mm-mm.
Ay. And then we have the Batmobile po. Pwede po yung mobile ay mag-flip.
Yan, mahilig yan siya sa mga...
Nakikita na siya ng Lego. Ito yung ibang flip and craft.
Mm-mm.
Ang connection naman po niyan kay Batman. Kasi po, si Batman po is mahilig po.
Galing.
We have the different Batman actors na. Kung kilala niyo po siya, that is si Edward Cullen, Robert Pattinson.
Did you know that roughly 2.5 million years to 10,000 BC in the Paleolithic?
Lego?
Yeah, yung mga Lego po, gawa po yun ng anak ni Sir Ryan.
Ah. Gawa daw ng anak niyang may-ari yan, oh. Ito, oh.
Ay, pa, may Lego.
Oh, ang galing. Dapat Liam, ano eh.
Hindi yan Lego, hindi yan Lego.
The doctor diagnose you without being able to see the color change or information.
Tara na na.
Welcome to the asylum.
Asylum.
We have Heath Ledger po,
Oo.
Joker, and ito po yung
Uy.
latest Joker po na si Robin Phoenix.
Ayan si Joker, oh.
Bakit? We have Catwoman, the Penguin, si Harley Quinn, and si Anne Hathaway po.
Are you seeing things that others couldn't see? Maybe you are is where
Dapat hindi magagalaw, ah.
fear and negativity can consume you. Schizophrenia is a serious mental disorder in which people interpret reality abnormally and may think their behavior. It relates to illness and mental disorder in which people interpret reality abnormally and may result in some combination of behavior.